Start recording 3, 2, 1. Good day everyone. Ako po si Lizander Nasol and ito yung mga group mates ko. Diaz, Justin Diaz, Carlo Nemer, Jansen Olimpo, Lee Klein Palacio, John Lester Palma, Perez Nash, and si Silvestre. What is intellectual property? Definition. Intellectual property or IP refers to creations of the mind such as inventions, designs, software, symbols, and artworks that are legally protected. Examples: software and applications, logos and trademarks, digital art and designs. Mali. Ang intellectual property o IP ay basically mga bagay yan na galing sa utak o creativity ng tao, tulad ng software, apps, music, or designs. Parang idea mo na may value. Kaya dapat protected siya para hindi siya basta makopya or manakaw ng iba.
Important of IP in IT. Intellectual property is essential in the IT industry because it safeguards the ownership of digital creation such as software application, website, and multimedia content. Protects the creators' rights, encourages innovations and creativity, builds trust and professionalism. Importante talaga ang IP sa IT industry kasi una, pinoprotektahan nito yung rights ng mga creators. Kapag alam mong safe yung gawa mo, mas ganado kang gumawa ng bago at syempre mas nagiging professional at ethical yung industry pag may respeto sa gawa ng iba.
Next slide 4.
Types of intellectual property laws. So number 1 is copyright. Protects creative works like software, design, etc. Pinoprotektahan nito ang mga creative works tulad ng software design, music at writing. Ibig sabihin, walang pwedeng gumamit o kopyahin ng walang pahintulit ng may-ari. 2 is patent. Protects new invention or processes. Para ito sa mga bagong imbensyon o proseso, binibigyan nito ng karapatan ang inventor na siya lang ang pwedeng gumawa o magbenta ng invention sa loob ng ilang taon. 3 is trademark. Protects logos, brand names, and symbols. Na ito ay kumakatawan sa isang produkto o kumpanya, pinoprotektahan nito ang identity ng brand laban sa paggagaya.
Next slide 5.
Common IP violations in IT. Number 1 is software privacy. This occurs when individuals or organizations copy, distribute, or use software without purchasing a valid license. Examples: it violates copyright laws and can lead to legal penalties and malware risks. Plagiarism. Plagiarism happens when someone presents another person's ideas, writing, code, or digital content as their own without property acknowledgement. And 3 is patent infringement. This violation occurs when a product, process, or technology uses an invention protected by a patent without the inventor's permission.
Slide 6.
Roleplay or mini-scene. Example of short scene. Dev A. Hey, you copied my app. Dev B. A. You didn't register it. Lesson. Protect your work legally. So, dito sa part na ito, doon mo marirealize na dapat talagang alam mo paano protektahan yung gawa mo. Kasi kung hindi, madaling malaman ng iba.
7. Slide 7.
How to protect your IP. First, register your work, copyright, or patent. Second, use licenses and agreements. Lastly, give credit when using other words. So dito naman sa part na ito is, para maprotektahan mo IP mo, simple lang. Register mo yung gawa mo, gamitin ang mga tamang license, at syempre, huwag kang gagamit ng work ng iba nang walang credit. Respeto lang talaga sa effort ng bawat isa.
Slide 8.
Protecting IP the digital era. Use secure platforms. Number 2, add watermarks on digital work. Report plagiarism of piracy. Ngayon kasi madali na mag-copy-paste o mag-download ng gawa ng iba. Kaya kailangan din natin extra protection gaya ng watermark, secure storage, at reporting tools para may mga may laban ka agad.
Slide 9.
So, conclusion. Intellectual property rights protect creativity, respect ideas, protect innovation. So, wrap it up. Intellectual property is all about protecting creativity and fairness. Kapag marunong kang respeto at mag-protect ng gawa ng iba, mas magiging healthy and innovative yung IT community. Thanks for listening.